myself. You got some basil right here. Basil, it gives a lot of flavor to your food. It helps keep mosquitoes away. Source of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron. It's a good companion plant. Got tomatoes over here, so that's attracting pollinators as well as keeping certain bad insects away. See, when you harvest basil, what you want to do is try to encourage more growth. The more you harvest, the more it's going to grow. What I want to do is find an area where I have a couple of offshoots, as what I call them, these side leaves. I have a side leaf right here, and I have a side leaf right here that's on this stem. I'm gonna harvest it right above these two side leaves, and it's gonna encourage these two side leaves to grow. They're gonna become little side stems just like this one. Right here, above these two leaves, that's a stem, some nice basil right there. When you put your basil away, tub full of basil, here it is, we just harvested it. I'm gonna put the whole entire video up for all of my subscribers. It's gonna be on my Instagram subscribers page. If you subscribe to the Instagram page, appreciate the support. I kind of been lacking on the videos, but I'm gonna do new videos every week on different things that we're growing out here, how to grow it, harvest it, maintain it, all that. Subscribe to the page, check out the whole video on the basil. Stay rooted.